Hello, welcome to another video by George's Shed, and today we're going to be checking the tolerance of my printer. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see I'm on Thingiverse and this is the tolerance test I've decided to print. It's called Customizable Tolerance Step Test for Printers by J Brown 123. I've already opened it and sliced it in Cura, so I think this one is 5mm as the target diameter or radius, and it is 0.2mm steps. This is really small. I didn't realise this at the time, but I've already sliced it and I can't be able to do it again, and I obviously don't want to waste filament. So this should take 5 minutes and be 0.1 of a metre of filament. So I've already saved this to my SD card, so I'm just gonna pull out the SD card and put it into the printer. Okay, so now I've just put the SD card in. I'm gonna go down to SD card and click print file, and then there is our tolerance steps. So I'll just clean the print bed, and then that's just cooling down to 185 degrees, which is the print temperature. Okay, so now this is printed and off the printer, we can actually try it. So if we push this little stepped piece, I don't know if that'll focus, probably not, into the ring, we can see that it fits quite loosely over the third step down, but will only just not go over the second one. So if we work that out with 0.2 steps and a target of 5mm, then we know that the one that fits loosely is 4.6mm and the one that's too tight is 4.8mm. So that means that we have really 4.7mm as the ideal. So that means we've got 3mm tolerance on my 0.3mm tolerance on my printer. So that's going to be really useful to know when designing things that need to fit together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks. Bye.